Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking these videos, hit that subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our number. So in this particular video, I will show you how I took advantage of the market news, also a moving average. All right, so if you're not part of my secret telegram channel, or if you're not part of my public telegram channel, you can be part of it by clicking the link in video description. So we generally were discussing about the news what our PM had told yesterday, so regarding the 20 lakh crore package. So that was a bit positive news at that particular time, so we were discussing the same, looking at certain aspects, and we were having a voting session where most of the 92% votes were it'll open gap up, and we were observing as a learning, and finally yes, the market opened gap up, and then you see a lot of profit booking happening during the morning time. All right, so that's what the news. Because of the news, most stocks will get pushed up, and keeping that in mind, also keeping moving averages in mind, I just took an advantage. So I'll show you how I took a trade today. So I'm currently waiting for my position to exit my position, considering today was a gap up and the stocks were going up. Okay, so Nifty actually opened gap up, so that's what we was talking about in the Telegram channel, because of the package. And now as soon as it opened, you see almost every stock would have come down like this along with Nifty, because a lot of investors who had invested their money earlier when the market had come down, now the market opened up, they booked their profit. So initially morning you can see profit booking going on in the market on most of the stocks. So every stock we would have seen 8%, 7% opening, and they started coming down. So I have a position in Havels as of now with 93.32 as my average buy point. So let's see how the stock can go. The stock had gone up to 499 and reversed from that point. So let's see, I'll see a small opportunity and exit. If I get one more chance, then I will take a trade. If not, I will end with this trade, considering I have my personal trading classes starting around 12 o'clock. So you can see the market is staying taking a support from the lower levels, considering it fell in the morning. People are booking profit, and now you can see a second wave of market going slowly up or holding up. All right, so your stocks which also came down are trying to resist, and this one has crossed its high of 99 and crossing 500. All right, it has just broken its levels, so somewhere closer above its moving average. If I consider, let's say, 1 hour range, it has crossed the 50 hours moving range now, and the 200 moving average range is around 519. I don't know if it can go till there. I know that will be like a lottery, but I'm just telling it has crossed the 50 hours moving range. So if I put a 1 hour chart, and if I give moving average of, let's say, 50, you see it has reached the 50 point. It has crossed that average of 50. So that was an opportunity for me. So when the stock was around 93, when the stock can cross its 50 range, this was my opportunity up to 498, but luckily the stock crossed that also in front of me only. So the high as of now is how much? 503.65. all right. So finally I have just exited my position right now. All right, so sell complete. So 35,150 is the profit which we booked. So close to let's say how much, 2% of the stock. Okay, so around 12 rupees I have hit. So that is around 493 rupees if I'm buying. Then the stock is close to 2.5% to 3%, right? So yeah, so that was the hit on this particular stock. Yes, the leverage, the number of lots which I have taken is 2 lots. So in this particular trade, around 2 lakh 40 or 2 lakh 30 has been invested. I have taken 2 lot in this particular trade, considering today the market will be bullish and all those push will be there, considering the news, because during this time, you know, market will have unexpected moves. So considering certain levels or technicals, I took an advantage of moving average of 50. So whichever stock was trading below 50, I am considering them, and once they cross their 50, let's say I'm taking 1 hour, so if I go for one day, it's going to be a little bit far, so you need to check in Havel stock. So anyways, I'm just checking with 1 hour. You will not get in futures, you can check in stock. So anyways, I knew that, you know, the stock has a tendency to move towards at least his 50 days moving average or 50 hours moving average for shorter period of time. No, not 200 exactly. Like I told, 200 is around 520 or 519. If it goes, it's a jackpot. But anyways, this was my idea over here. Considering today the whole market is bullish, you know, there will be some push on the stocks, and the stock was moving and it has a tendency from 93. So idea was to hit 1% on the stock, whereas I got lucky, the stock spiked. So this is how you can take advantage, or let's say you are applying one more moving average, let's say 20, even 20 you could have considered. Sorry. Let's say I'm giving 20, I'm giving a color, some random color. Okay, so here is a chance, but it has already crossed 20 line in the morning itself. So 50 is the next range. So medium term, right, average, where a stock can move, but you have to wait. And I have taken a normal order. I have not taken like intraday order with leverage and all. I have just taken with normal order. So we pay so much of money, so that in case I miss it, I can wait tomorrow, day after tomorrow, so that my 1 hour candle goes and breaks the average and whatever percentage I get. So now let's say in this hardly, let's say 1000 rupees or 500 rupees will go as a brokerage, rest money will be in my pocket. So that was the idea of taking this particular trade. So just taken a position in Tech Mahindra May futures, considering the stock is spiking slowly up, considering it is, for now it is a little bit bullish during this particular period. So we will wait for some time. Again, I have taken a normal order so that I can wait for my 0.3%, or let's say if I'm getting more than 0.3, I'll wait for the spike, or if it is going against me, then I can hold it. So I'm just taking a normal order to be safe here. So if you see Tech Mahindra stock, equity stock, if you see the moving averages, so it has already crosses the 20 day moving average. It's a day, okay, not a 1 hour candle. So it is about 20 days moving average, and it has a tendency to go towards the 50, right? So this is 50 days moving average, and this is a 200, which is a little bit higher, but I'm just telling, at least let's say in few days it has a chance to go up to 581. So if I miss my target today, okay, I can wait for some time, so that at least my target, let's say 1 rupee 50 paisa if I'm missing, or let's say 5 rupees, 1% I'm booking. So if I'm missing my target, I have chance up to book somewhere tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when it recovers and touches the 50 mark, right, 50 days mark. So I have taken this opportunity, considering the stock is bullish today. 0.3% will be easy today, but in case if I miss, I'll be more safe, considering my moving average 50 is still away in medium term, and long term is 700. So I can hold. In case it goes against me, I can average out and all those things. So I have taken the future of it. So it is around 547.58 is my average. So let's say 1 rupee 50 paisa, if I say roughly, it is around 48 and 49. So 549 point dot dot is my 0.3% on this particular stock. So either I can put my order as a limit order and set it, let's say 549, 550 or something like that I can put, or else I can hit a market exit order like this and escape earlier. So I will wait for some time, and whenever I get a chance, I will exit. If my classes start, it's already 11:26. If my classes start, then I will set my target and leave it off, because I will not be able to monitor my stock. So the market has closed anyways. If you see, the time is 3:44. So I was between my personal training classes, so I couldn't record the video. So anyways, I got a small break now. So if you see, I exited Tech Mahindra at 0.3 percentage. So exactly 1 rupee 50 paisa I have exited. So 0.3 percentage, let's see how much do we get in hand. So this is our futures brokerage calculator. So buy at 547.58 and I sold at exactly close to 1 rupee 50 paisa close. So 549.05 is my sell price. It's just taken 2,400 quantities. So if you see here, the total tax and charges is 240 rupees. So let's say 250 rupees went, so 3,287 is in our hand. So here 250 rupees will go, roughly here also 250 rupees will go. So overall at least 500 to 600 rupees brokerage will go, okay, maximum. So that's the advantage of futures. So 38,000 rupees in hand after brokerage. So that was more about today's trade, how I took advantage along with the good news in the market. Also I used moving averages to take those advantage. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.